Hey, how you guys doing today? Oh man, I miss you so much. Oh man, I wish I could be there to see you guys all decked out in pink, ready to change the world and stuff like that. But it turns out I can't be there. So here I'm at the drop, and this is like 3 in the morning. This is take 437, and I'm making a video just for you guys. I'm making a video just for you guys. I spent all day working on this. So can you feel the love? Can you feel the love? Why did I do this? Is because this day is really important. It's important to you guys. That makes it important to me. And you know what I do? I want you guys to look around the room right now. You don't just see students and friends and teachers and faculty. What you're seeing is you're seeing superheroes in the room. People who are committed to make the world a better place for other people. And that makes them superheroes, and that's why I'm wearing, check it out, my superhero shirt. Oh man, check out those abs, man, like for real. Get me a Band-Aid, man, this boy's cut. So anyways, am I right? Anyways, I wish I could be there, and what happened was I thought about today, what am I going to say to you guys? What am I going to say to you guys? It's going to just change everything. And I came up with one word, and it's got 5 letters, and this could just totally improve your life. It can improve my life. It can improve all our lives. Do you want to know what that word is? Oh man, I know you want to know what that word is, but first I'm going to tell you a story, okay? See, I wasn't always this kind of confident, friendly kind of guy. I had a bully in my life, that's right. And my first bully, my biggest, baddest bully was, check it out, it was my mom. Can you believe it? My mom. Oh man, is that tragic or what? And she was the one that would tell me that I would never amount to anything. And she was the one who would tell me that I was stupid and that I was worthless and stuff like that. But now, man, I've won awards. I've traveled the world. I got this just amazing wife. I got the best children ever. I got you guys as friends. And my mom was just wrong, man. She was just totally wrong. But man, she was a rage addict. She just raged and raged. She tried to kill my dad. She tried to kill herself. She'd chase us around the house with weapons, man. Man, this lady just put the fun in dysfunctional, right? She had more issues than People magazine, and that's sad. Because people say, well, Paul, was that the first bully you ever met? And I'm like, maybe it was the first victim I ever met. Because you know what? For a second, I want us to just set aside the word bully and victim and bystander and just look at the word person, okay? And what people do is people, either they rise up and they thrive, or they get drowned out. And maybe, just maybe the person she was meant to be was drowned out by something. Is that tragic? Is that sad? Okay? So I want you to think right now around this word, like just around the room right now. Who's drowning around us? You know, there could be someone right now, right in this room, that's drowning in anxiety. Oh man, they worry about what people think of them, or they worry about school, or they worry about the test that's coming up. Maybe someone is drowning right around you, and what they need to do is they need to be raised up. They need your help. They need to be raised up. You know, and maybe someone is just drowning in anger and bitterness because someone did to them. Okay? And maybe someone is drowning in hurt and sadness because they've been abused sexually and verbally and physically. See, we don't know people's stories. But if people are drowning, it's our job to raise them up. Our job is to raise them up. And that's going to bring us to the word. It's one word, it's 5 letters. And the word is just raise. Okay, and it's an acronym. Every letter is going to stand for something because I'm a geek and that's how I roll. So here we go. The word is raise. And the R in raise stands for remember their name. That's what I'm going to ask you to do. When you meet someone at a soccer game or at school, or they're new to school, I want you to remember their name. And then the A stands for ask them questions. That's right, get to know their story. Start getting interested in the things they're interested in and ask them questions. So the R is remember their name. The A is ask them questions. And then the I is invite them into your life. Like for real, like, hey, this Saturday we're going out and we're going to watch a soccer game. Did you want to join us? Or oh man, we're going to go outside for lunch because the weather's really nice. Why don't you come sit with us? This is the stuff where you invite people into your life, and what you're going to see is friendships are going to form, and teams are going to form, and people are going to get together, and they're going to change the world together. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to be beautiful to watch. So there we go. So R, remember their name. A, ask them questions. I, invite them into your life. And then S is serve their needs. As you get to know them, you're going to realize that they have needs. okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to be there to serve their needs. Hey, I noticed you didn't bring lunch. Maybe I can split my lunch with you. Or, oh man, was that trigonometry crazy? You know what? I'd love to sit down with you an hour and just help you out with that if you need that. And if you help me with biology, we'll call it you know what I mean? Like just serve their needs, because everyone's got needs. And that's what we do here at the Drop-In. We serve people's needs. There's some people who want to have fun. We want to serve that need. There's some people who want to learn how to play guitar. We got lessons happening. There's some people who want to learn how to program cell phone games and be the next internet millionaire. What we're going to do is we're going to serve that need. But then there's people who are struggling with suicide right now. There's people that just broke up with their significant other, man, and we want to serve those needs. And if you want to be on the team that's going to serve the needs of those in the community, come and join us. Come and join us. We want you on this team to help raise people up. So anyways, R, remember their name. A, ask them questions. I is invite them into your life. The S is serve their needs. And then the E is to encourage them to be better than their best. That's right, man. You're going to encourage them to be so much more than they ever thought they could be. Because a lot of times I say, well, this is my best, or my parents say this is my best, but you're going to encourage them to be better than their best, and then better than their best, and then they're better than their best. And what that looks like is this. Hey, that guy was getting bullied. I noticed you went there to see how they were doing. And today you're my personal hero, because that showed heart and that showed courage, man. Or maybe you saw them carrying something for this lady, like carrying her groceries and stuff, and you say, man, I saw you helping that lady. That was the best thing I saw all day. And then what that does is encourages them to be better than their best. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do this together. We're going to do this every day. We're going to do this all through our lives. And what we're going to do is raise them up. So let's say it together. Raise them up. Oh man, you guys can do so much better than that. Let's say it together, loud and proud. Raise them up. Say it louder. Raise them up. That's what we're going to do, is we're going to raise them up. We're going to remember their name. We're going to ask them questions. We're going to invite them into our lives. We're going to serve their needs, and we're going to encourage them to be better than their best. So that's what I'm going to do right now, is I'm going to encourage you, and you to be better than your best. Oh man, I can't wait to see what you guys do with the world. I just can't wait to see what you guys do with the world. I can't wait to see what you guys do with this world. Peace out, brothers and sisters. Peace out. Raise them up.